I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. Now let's sew our ears to the doggy. Take your needle and thread that's been knotted, and you have a good portion of it, and put the needle up through the back of the doggy and coming into the ear around right about there at the top, maybe I don't know, an eighth inch or so from the top, and pull that through. We're just going to do a simple in and out stitch. So go in about a 1/4 inch stitch, and don't pull it too tight because you want to see those threads. And then coming from the back to the front again, push your needle through, and then go back in. So just a simple in and out stitch. And then one more. Okay, and when you get to the end of the ear, turn your dog over, and we're going to do an end knot. Grab a little bit of fabric and put your needle through the loop, pull the loop down, and you have a new loop, and put your needle through that loop, pull that loop down, and then pull the other loop and cut off the excess. Okay, now you want to re-knot your thread, and we'll sew on the other ear. Remember to come up from the back to the front, right on the corner there, and there's our knot, and go back in and just do an in and out, very simple stitching in, straight in and straight back out through the back. If it gets caught in anything, just stop, move it out of the way. You want to make sure, sometimes when children are doing this, they'll come from the back and then they'll forget and go through the front. In that case, if they do that, you may have to cut the thread and start over again. But maybe remind that if you're doing it with children, to remind them to check that they're going straight in and straight out, and that it's not going to get caught going around. There you go. We turn it over to the back, catch a little bit of fabric, make a loop, put our needle through the loop, and pull that loop down, make another loop, put our needle through, pull that loop down, and then pull the last loop for a knot, and trim your threads. Okay.